the HVAC heavens keep rolling. Here at this historical site in Greenwich, we have a Mitsubishi. Right here, it's just your pretty generic Mitsubishi, formerly called a Mr. Slim. Let's get back here. And it's from, doesn't have the date. But then we have a Carrier Infinity. Look, we have the little baby one from 2015. Has a custom fan motor and I think a Copeland Skrill compressor with a big old noise blanket on it. But then we have another Carrier Infinity. They're blocked by boxwood brushes. They're lovely, but they love blocking air conditioners. Copeland Skrill with a noise blanket and a custom fan motor. I used to call these Carrier Eco models because they looked eco, because green. They don't use this badge anymore. Come on, Carrier, bring back the Eco Infinity badge. And then that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Like, watch, and subscribe. I'll see you then. Bye, y'all.